How to log in Costco Citi Card online. It's quite easy and simple to sign in or log into Costco Citi Card online. Just open any browser and open the web version of Costco Citi Card by typing Costco Citi Card login on the web address bar. On the results section, you will get the link of Costco City, that is the city.com. Let's tap on it and open the site. Once the official site of Costco Citi Card online opens, tap on Sign On button at top right corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, now you will get access to this sign-in page where you can easily enter the user ID and password. To remember the user ID, you can check mark the box that says remember user ID and tap on the sign-on button. Once done, you can easily log into Costco Citi Card online and then use the application's account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.